Hello everybody, welcome back to the HSP travel vlog. I'm Alane Freund, your hostess. I wanted just to show you, I'm going to go back and do a vlog of the village I just drove through because it was quite spectacular. But I've just arrived at my new cottage and I wanted to show you, this is a farm and it is an they are ancient buildings. Wow, I won't be able to show you the whole thing because I really want to get my groceries in and get them in the fridge. But I'm literally in part of the barn. That is my fantasy come true. So I went down to that one first and someone else was staying there. I had a little freak out. Plus I had no data, so I couldn't read the messages. And I didn't think about how rural it would be. We're all set up for families here. And this is the front door. You know, I love doors. And they've done a lovely job. I just want you to see the whole building. It's in the middle of a new national forest. Let's adjust to the light. It's quite hot today, so the blinds are closed. And this is the living room. Beams on the ceiling. And just a petite little love seat. That's all I need. With cute little poofs. I'll take those too. And, oh, nice painting. I like it. And, I mean, they've just done such a beautiful job remodeling the end of the barn. I am such a farm girl. It really doesn't get much better. Blue! My favorite color. Blue makes me feel soothed. I really love blue. And one of my requirements, because I heard there was a heat wave in Europe, is to have air conditioning. And guess what? It does. I could not be happier. Let's see. Wow, another rain shower. Wow, my second one in France already. I'm stoked. So now I'm here for 2 days of retreat on my own. I will take some videos, but for the most part, well, thank goodness I interacted with the people in that other little cottage, because otherwise I would have never figured it out. But mostly I'm going to be in low interaction, riding bikes, taking hikes, and chilling out. Okay, bye for now.